Okay, so I'm getting ready to make my video on my print queue. Okay, so when you print, you'll be printing out of good best quality and almost accurate colors because they're close. And I'm gonna show you because I have a bunch of printouts here, and I just want to show you what's going on. I know it's taking a minute. I've been saying this for a minute, and I've been playing with it, so I've been tweaking it here and there, and I'm getting the colors right. So I want to show you how close I've gotten. This is just me. I'm poking around in the dark here. Right, I don't have the right tools. I can get my colors close, but I just can't get it just right, and I'm gonna keep playing around with it. I'm almost there, and I just have to change a couple more things. And again, I'm poking around in the dark here, right? I don't have any good. I didn't have any good reference points, but.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
This is from three different people. That's me. Sorry, I'm gonna show you mine, and then the other ones you saw was from a person that's on a different continent. He's not even in the U.S. And the other person, he's from like one of them states down south somewhere. Okay, and those are, as you can see, three different type of inks, three different types. All right. Three different bottles of ink, three different manufacturers of ink. All right, and we're getting roughly the same colors. So the print mode, I said that the queue that I make, I know if I send it to anybody, they should have pretty close or almost identical to what I'm printing out. So that's why I'm trying to. This is why I'm gonna just make this thing, and I'm gonna keep tweaking it as I make updates to it. I'll probably make like a link somewhere, and you can just click it and download the new updates to it. But it's gonna take me a minute to update it. So I'm not gonna keep y'all waiting for it. I'm just gonna let y'all get it, and then y'all can wait for the updates when I tweak them. And I say, oh yeah, this one is good. Here you go. All right. So let me show you what's going on. So this is how my printer prints now. This is from my sticker 8550. So if you're looking at this, let me put my camera down so I can hold this thing with two hands. All right. So this is from my sticker 8550. This is literally how pale the printer, my DTF printer prints. This is how pale it is. But with the help of Cadlink, this is a lot brighter. And you're going to see here in a second. This is the printout using photo print. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is what we're going for on DTF. This is what you want. All right. And this is the look I am going for. Now, on my DTF prints, my blues are not quite right. They're good, but they're not great. And this right here is purple. And I'm going to show it to you, compare it with, here's my prints. This one is my printouts. This is the profile I'm going to send you. Okay, this is the colors you're going to get. When I send you the profile, this is what you're going to get. These are the printouts you're going to get. All right, that's the colors. All right, these are literally the colors. That's how the colors are going to come out. When you print a file or this is the colors you're gonna get. See, the grays are grays. They're not pinkish. They're not whatever. The purples, different purples, the blues. All right, now this should be a little lighter. Again, like I said, I'm still tweaking it, especially my blues. They're not quite right. All right. For instance, see this little lion right there? If you see him, he's actually purple. He's not as blue as that dude right there on the chart, so you see it. See it? It's not very blue. It's kind of like a light purple. But if you look down here, this is blue, and you see it's still kind of it's very light. It's like a light purple. It looks blue, but it's kind of purplish, and that's what I have to fix. And I think I have to tweak the blues just a little bit, and I should get this color correct. But as you can see, everything else is kind of just right. It's just dark. This is just dark. As you can see, it's printed a little darker than there, but all the details there, everything's there. All the colors are correct. The reds are a little bit reddish, orangish thingish. This one, see that one's actually red. So the reds are fine. It's just that they're a little bit on a little bit tweaky side. So I'm gonna tweak it just a tad bit, and I have a reference point now. So see how that's really yellow, and that was a little light yellow. Everything's just really dark. Most of it's dark, but the part I'm really talking about. See, look at the greens. See how dark that is. So I'm gonna tweak it a little bit. All right, and that's what I'm trying to fix. Okay, that's literally what I'm trying to fix. Those darkish, and it's really the blues that's off kilter. See the red. You know what I'm saying? So I want to tweak this some more. These are my printout colors. See, the purple is purple. Some of the other colors are perfectly fine. It's just an odd one. Anything with I think too much blue. See, look at that thing. All right, anything with blues in it is usually off by a little bit. So I have to tweak this blue just a bit. And I think that might give me exactly what I'm looking for. All right, so I think my blues are too dark and my yellow. So I might have to tweak these a little bit more, and I think I should get the colors that I need. All right, and again, I'm just poking around in the dark here, okay? So you're gonna have to bear with me a little bit. So I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna make the video. That's the next video I'm gonna make. I'm gonna sit down and go through how to do this whole thing, and that's gonna be the next video I'm gonna put up. So look out for that. Peace.
Step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.